Hello my dear YouTube friends, and welcome again to another video. Today this is gonna be a little bit different, but I'm gonna be showing you how to change the radio on this Isuzu Rodeo 2002. It's pretty much the same for this kind of years, I think 98 through 2004, but we're gonna remove this stereo and we're gonna install this touchscreen that I got on Amazon, and we're gonna test it out. We'll see how much better it works. This one is gonna be this brand. I'm gonna leave the link on the description so that you guys can get it. It has Apple, the Apple Connect and the Android Connect too. So this one, let me show you guys. I think the battery is dead. Okay guys, so to remove this, we have to remove this plastic that goes around the stereo, and so it has this one, as you guys can see, it just came off. It has these little tabs here, so it has 4 of these, so you just pull it out. It's not that hard. And then these, we have 4 screws. We're gonna remove these 4 screws right now. Okay guys, so it actually comes with this, which is pretty amazing, that it comes with this wires which we can use. We're gonna need some wire clippers and wire nuts, but so see guys how it tells you which wires which. So you have, for example, the ground, the battery, this one is the key, and then this one's reverse. So all these are needed. So we can hook up everything. So let's see if we find the okay, let's see. We have this. We're gonna have to cut all these wires. Who knows which wires which, but I'm gonna have to find a diagram where it shows me which wires which. So that's gonna be the only way. I will have to do one by one. Let's see. Okay guys, so once you connect all the wires, you're gonna put let me show you guys. I just removed it, but you have to put this bracket just like that, and then I'm gonna show you the wiring. What I ended up doing, I cut it with the scissor, and then I just found the wiring diagram. I am gonna put it here so that you guys can have it. You can take a screenshot if you want, and then you will just cut the wire, cut the take out some of the insulation, and then you can, I just use tape, electrical tape, but if you have wire nuts or like the smaller wire nuts, that would be better. And then yeah, make sure you connect everything. Make sure all the ones, there's gonna be one that is not needed. Let me see if it's this one. So, well, actually you guys will not need a few of them. This one is gonna be the, which one is it? The brake. So the brake, the reverse, I didn't connect it because you need to send the wire all the way down under the car, so it's not gonna work. This illumination is connected. Yeah, just follow the diagram and make sure you connect everything. This illumination, this one, it was a little bit tough to find it, but it's gonna be the red and green. Battery plus, it's gonna be the red and white, and then the other ones you just follow the key. This one, that one's gonna be the switch. So the switch power, that one's gonna be the key. Okay, so once you have everything in there, just put it back there, and then you will install this plate again. Make sure the bracket, you install it so that it's you do the setting where it's the most out. So this has to be the setting where this can be out as far as it gets. Like this is the farthest that it will get. If you do another setting, this will be pushed too far back, and it's gonna look bad. So that's how you want it to look. Okay, now I'm gonna get the battery because it was dead, and I'm gonna put it and turn the car on and see how it works. Alright my friends, I just got the battery connected, so let's see. Let's put this in contact. See if this turns on. It does not turn on. Maybe if we turn the car on. Oh, maybe the battery is dead. Okay guys, so I hooked it up wrong the first time. This accessory wire, the red one, it goes on the red and yellow, and it's the red and yellow is switch 12 volts, so we need to connect it to the accessory cable, this one. So I'm just gonna grab a wire nut and one of these dolphin clips and put this one, and this one, let's see, this one it says key, but I think we're just not gonna use this, because this is if you have for like steering buttons. If you have like buttons here, you would use this, but we don't, so I don't think we need this one. Let me check again. Okay guys, so I got the stereo installed. As you can see, it looks really good. Just make sure you put the bracket like all the way to the back, and then yeah, this is how it looks. Let's see the options. Bluetooth, I guess we have to connect it to the Bluetooth pair, and then you should be able to pair it with your phone. I didn't put the backup camera because all the wiring, but you can if you want. So yeah, I think it's a really good phone. You can link it to, it's a really good stereo. You can link it to your phone, and I guess you can play movies if you want. So if you guys like this video, and I think it's a really good stereo, just make sure you connect all the wires right, and then you should be good. I cleaned it. It looks really good now. This Isuzu, it changed so much. I'm gonna sell it, and hopefully I can get a good amount of money here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you on the next video.